Jai Hind students, welcome live class. Students, this is the revision class and revise we will do Microsoft Excel 2016. Students, you know very well this chapter, question answer you have written, its important points you have written, and maybe even learning and many of you learn also. Okay? So students, through the PDF files we will explain you. Now students, see even the PDF files of this chapter. First of all, we want to show you what chapter you know very well. Microsoft Excel 2016 we have given in your WhatsApp group, in your live group. Read the chapter carefully. Whatever chapter the content in the chapter is given, you have to read carefully, students. Exercise and question answer you have to do, students. That is very important. Let us recall these things. It is given side of the book. Okay. What are between chapter I am showing you here. Everyone can see. This is, let us recall, know the fact, quick view. These are given. Okay. So also you have to learn this one. This is also very important for you. Clear, students? And now this is your unit test second syllabus. Okay, students? Now I am just going to in your chapter. What chapter? That is Microsoft Excel 2016. Students, first of all, we have told you on the previous classes how to select the cells. If you want to select the cells, select the cells like row and column, entire worksheet, additions row and columns, and not addition row and column. These all are things. Row columns you can select, click the row and column headings. We are showing you with you. It's through the practical students. This is Excel 2016. What is given here, students? First of all, a row and column, click the row and column heading. So students, this is known as the headings. When click on here, the heading is selected. This is column heading, this is a row heading. Clear, students? Now entire worksheet, what is given? Control plus A or select all button. See, students, select all button, this one, we have selected all the entire worksheet, and or we can select by pressing the Control plus A, by this way also, students. Clear? Next one is given, students, adjacent row and columns. Select the first row and column, then hold down shift key while you select the last and column. Suppose, students, just you selected this one, and now we just press the shift button and go on in this way. See here, this selected. Again I am doing here, students. Suppose here we are, now we hold down the shift button from the keyboard, and now just we are running. We want to select all this, this one. Clear? Same way, suppose we are row is here, shift is now here, selected here. Next one is given, now adjacent row and column. That means, suppose, students, and by the control keys, students, here given, by the click the row and column, the hold down the control key. So now adjacent column, suppose here we selected, now we control, now anywhere, see here, any place we can, you can see here, students. So students, just keep in mind, if you want to select the adjacent row, to what shortcut key you will use, means what you will hold down the key. What hold down the key? Shift key. If adjacent row and column. If you want to select a non-adjacent row and column, what you will hold down? Control key. Just keep in mind, students. This is very important. Clear, students? And for entire worksheet, what you have to do? Control plus A. Or from this, also we can use the select all button. Next one is, students, this is given entering the number as text. We have already explained you. If you want to enter number as a text, suppose here we have given 1, 2, 3, okay. But if you want to write 0, first of all 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have seen that many places, many institute, other things, they are starting from the 0. So, suppose we are starting from the 0, so this value will take or not? See here, 0 is not here. Now, when we are writing 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, but when we release this one, this cells, what will happen? See here, 0 is not there. So, then how we can select the 0? So, just first of all place the right, if you are starting, if you want to show the 0, you will use the first of all from the shift apostrophe sign. This is the apostrophe sign. Student, see here, this is the apostrophe sign. Again, I am showing you. This is apostrophe sign. Okay. Now 0, yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see 0 as a text given here. Next one, again I am showing you 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. See here, I have not shown the apostrophe, so not showing here. If we will show here apostrophe sign, now sorry, here 0 is not written, 0 I am writing here. Okay, see here, clear students. So, with the help of apostrophe sign, then you will use it. There is given. If you want to excel, drop the leading 0. So, what we have to use? Apostrophe symbol, then you can use apostrophe 0, 1, 4, 8, 1. Then now we can see the 0 there. Okay, students. Now, how to entering a date and time? First of all, see here range. What is range? A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. Okay, we will explain this. First of all, see the entering of date and time. You know it very well. If you suppose today date, whatever date is, any date we are filling this. Suppose start from 6/07, that is July / okay, this is pattern we have given. This pattern, now we want to change the pattern. So, just come this side here and right click. Here you will get the format cell. Okay, from the format cell, this one is format cell. Their time option is given, date and time. So, anything you can change. If you will change this Wednesday, these all are, so that this value will come. Whatever, there are many patterns are given. Okay, suppose this one is, now this you can see here. If any pattern you want to change, then you have to select the format cells, and from format cells you can change. Time also as well you can do better. Clear, students? Now, next topic is changing the cell. Well, okay, we want to tell about the range. Okay, first of all, change the cell contents. How we can change the cell contents? That means, suppose, students, now I am filling the subject. First of all, serial number and roll number. Suppose roll number. Now we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Why date is mentioned? Because we have selected this one is as a date. So, we can change here from the format cells. Okay. And as a text we can write and okay. Now, we can see here. But text, if you should take the number, if you want to take the number, go on number, see here. Okay. This is the center. Now, here we have written name, numbers. Suppose we have taken the Hindi subject, now English. Okay. A, that is B, C, D, E. Okay. Hindi we have given number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 7, it suppose. Here should be Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, students. So by mistake we have written the 67, 67 here written. It should write here 76. How we will do, students? First of all, click on here. What way? Directly we can write what? 76. Yes, we have written. Other thing, how we can write? What written here? 67. No? Yes. 67. Directly we can write, or click on here this way, delete it, then 76. By directly also you can do, or by the selecting that, and then you can do. This way is seeing that. Replacing cell container using the edit mode. Edit mode means, suppose you are just clicking here, you can see here edit mode will come. See here. See, again I am showing you. This is the ready mode. Okay, here you can see, students, here. I am showing you this ready mode is given. Suppose just we are clicking it, so now edit mode. Okay, means we can change here. 54 we have written. Now when releasing, now again the ready mode is. Okay, so this way we can do. We can change the cell contents. Clear? Next one, using the edit mode we have done, students. Now using the undo and redo features. After making the modification in a cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data. This is the sign of the undo button. This is the redo button. How we will use it? CV1. Suppose we have 23 is here, we delete them, and what we have written 45. Again, just we remember that no, it should be the same. So again, control, what we have seen there, the shortcut keys, control plus Z, but we are showing you, there is given, wait better, because also you have book, na? You can see here, you can use the shortcut keys control plus Z for undo, control plus Y for redo button actions. So similarly here, suppose 45 we have written, okay, by mistake we have just not changed here 56, and we remember that no, it is the wrong, what we have written previous, that is right, control plus Z, now come 45, or if you want to know, no, that one is right, to control plus Y, okay. Suppose here we have written 1, 2, okay, clear, and now we have written 34. We want to recall the previous. This is the undo button. Click on it. Now again will come. Now just recall the previous one. Whatever you have written previous, then use the redo button. By this way we can call the previous action. Clear, students? You can see here there is given some action cannot be undone, such as clicking any comment on the file tab. But here, by this way, by this button also we can use the undo and redo button, and also we can use the shortcut keys control plus Y and control plus Z. Just keep in mind, for undo that is control plus Z, for redo control plus Y. Cell and inserting this blank cell. Yes, you know that how to insert the blank cell. Suppose we are here, Hindi English between we want to a blank cell, there should be math. So what should be? Click on here, right click, go on the insert, see there, now inserted, and what will write? The math. Okay, I also putting the numbers. See here, okay. By this way we can put the numbers here. Okay, students. So this is the, and if you want to insert the any between here B, C and D, so right click here of C and D, the D, right click here, the insert, see here between C and D we have select inserted. By this way we can insert it, and other mode also given students. They also cells. Select the range of cells where you want to insert the blank cells. You should select the same number of cells then as you want to insert the spreadsheet. Suppose we have selected, right click on it, then insert what? Cells, shift cell right or shift cell down. Suppose what happened, all are shifted. Okay. So by this way we can shift the entire row. Clear? By this way we can do, and they are shifted. Shift cell, move the selected cell toward right, move the selected down by one row here, down by one row as towards right. Clear, students? Now students, how to insert a column and row we have told just now. Students, this process we have told you, and if you want to delete cell, and the same process, students, same way we can do. Clear, students? Change row and height, column and width. How we can change the row and column width? By default we are getting the column width is 15 points and the row height is the 15 points and 8.43 is the guess how we will get. See here, students, the format row height. You can see here row height is the by default 15. If you want to check its column width, go on to column width, by default 8.43. So also you should know what is the by default of the column, what is the by default of row height, 15. Just keep in mind, students. And what is the by default of the column width, 8.43. Also just keep in mind, students. Okay, clear, students? So now next one is to change the column width. Okay, by this way we can copying, moving. What we can do here with we can, with the help of copy and paste, we can do that. See here, students, suppose Control C, or here the copy. Okay, and if you want to do here, then paste it. Okay, I pasted, but it is not. It is as it is there. Okay, if you want to don't keep here, you want to keep this side. Okay, just select it, right click, and cut option. Cut option. If you want to keep here, and now paste option. What will happen? All the things are removed from this one. So this is the difference between cut, copy, and paste. If you are using the copy and paste, the value will be original place, and where you want to send, that both place will be there. But in cut and paste, so if that whatever you have done, whatever you want to cut, it will be removed from that where you want to paste it, but you will not get the on original place. Clear, students? So this is revision class, students. So basically just learn the point, important point. Suppose range. Students, wait. Yes. Here yes, here a range. What is range? A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. Okay. So what is shape of the rectangle? What is shape of the range? Where we are getting contiguous cells? It is a rectangle. And what is known as the group of contiguous cells? That is range. Just keep in mind, students. Okay. When we are using when we want to change a number as a text, what we will use? Apostrophe, students. Just keep in mind, students. That is very important. If you want to non-adjacent row and columns, just I told with the hold down of control key. If you want to adjacent row, non-adjacent, then hold down control key. If you want to use the adjacent row, then hold down shift key. Okay. For entire worksheet, what shortcut key you will use? Control plus A, students. Clear? So these things, these all are this point. You let us recall. Okay. Know the fact also. Keep in your mind what is given, though repeat most command or actions, press F4 key. Okay. Suppose what shortcut key you will use for repeat most command actions? What we will use? F4 function key. Clear, students? Next one is, suppose we want to outline, keep the outline border around selected cells. What shortcut key you will use? Control plus Shift plus 7. Clear, students? This way. If you want to use edit mode, what you have to do? You have to click on the cell, then you will see the edit mode. Okay. To enter data in the multiple lines in the same cell, what shortcut key you will use? Alt plus Enter key. Clear, students? Next one is here how you can change the last previous action. Undo button, Control plus Z, shortcut keys. Same form, if you have used the undo buttons, then if you want to again modify this, then what you have to do? Redo command, that is the Control plus Y. Clear, students? This way you have to do. After that, the key combination Control plus minus display the delete dialog box to delete the selected cells. Also keep in mind, students, this let us know more. These all are things whatever I am telling students, and also whatever you have learned, whatever we have given, explained previous classes, that is also very important, students. So anything, no should be left with students, that is very important. This is the multiple choice based questions, but just keep in mind, students, what is everything are very important. Clear? What is the by default of the column height and row height? Okay, 15 points and 8.43. This one just keep in mind, students. Next one is given this one is flash fill. There is given flash fill, what shortcut key there is given, students, shortcut key. I am telling you. Here given the shortcut keys to perform cut, copy, paste. We have told you Control plus X, Control plus C and Control plus V. With the help of this one, you have to do. Clear? Next one. Their shortcut keys. Yes. Click on the fill drop down arrow present on the home tab in the editing group and select the flash fill options. What we can use? Control plus E option. So this all are very important, because practical work we have already told you, and basically theory terms is very important, students. So to be clear, students, whatever the thing are given as a theory in your book, that is very important, and learn that. Here recap, they are given to make the entry of digits at text, what we can do, they start with the apostrophe sign. Okay, and here given the cut, copy, paste, we have told you cell content can also be modified by using the F2 key. Keep in your mind, overtime mode can be turned on the double clicking the cell. Okay, just keep in mind, students. Students, here this one is when the blanks is given. The appearance of the date and time on the worksheet depends on the, so you have to learn here. I think everyone learned this one. This question and fill the blanks, very important. True, false, same we can make as a MCQ. Fill the blanks also same as a application based question. Also you have to learn, students. Multiple choice, that is very important. And this one, answer the question, you have to learn basis on the what is function of undo and redo command. Suppose they are given, it means what are shortcut keys of the undo and redo command. Okay, and what are methods of insert a column, means column head, you know that what you will, if you want to insert a column head, to what you will do, you will select the column head, you will select the row head, then we will insert from the right click. Okay, this way we can do. Clear, students? How to select a range of non-adjacent cell in a worksheet? You know what we have told, select the cell, and now by the clicking of the control key, by hold down the control key, then you can select anywhere. by this way. Autofill feature, how can it be applied, and what a shortcut key to, we have told you just Control plus E. And also we have explained this one. So students, all are things very important. Based on this, this quick view we have told just now, edit mode, and all the shortcut keys, undo and redo features. These are shortcut keys. This one is quick view, how to insert the blank cells. Control plus F9, what you can do, you can minimize a workbook window to an icon by pressing the Control plus F9. And what we can do, how can we maximize this? Control plus F10. Students, just keep in mind, if you want to minimize the minimize the workbook window, then you will use the Control plus F9. If you want to maximize it, Control plus F10. Okay, students, keep in your mind. Many thing is given, students. So again we are repeating column width and the row width. Students, this is row height 15 points, column width is 8.43. You can change also this one. Now where we will change, students? We just going the format cells from this one, row height and column width. We can change. Clear, students? So students, I hope everyone learn all things. And here recap is also very important, students. You have to learn. Approx we have already done, and you all are noted, students. This Excel part. And beta, this is very important to learn each and everything. What shortcut keys all, what are the main points are given. This is apostrophe, what's the use. This may every time reminding you. There you can separate date, how we can separate the date element by the slash option or hyphen option. Okay, students, this is the slash option, this is the hyphen option. Clear? So by this way we can do. And students, again we are reminding you, learn each and everything. Clear? Here the question answer also, fill the blanks, true, false, all the things, whatever the given here, students. They are all the shortcut keys. This is fill the blanks, true, false. Clear, students? So it means this is the okay, students. So hope everyone understood what we have to do. Class 6 students, this test is very important because this marks will be included in your half yearly and annual marks. So that is very important. So students, learn very well, students. I know everyone already learn, and few points you are left. If you have left, then you just learn it better. Okay. So students, God bless you. Best of luck, students, for your exam. Thank you, students, and God bless you. Jai Hind.